Hello students. In this class we'll discuss about some examples of the method number 3rd, which was by quadratic formula. Example. The first example is 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to, as we all know that quadratic formula contains the terms a, b and c, and the value of a here is 16. That means the coefficient of x square is 16 here. The coefficient of b is minus 8. That means, the coefficient of x is minus 8. And the constant term is 1. If we again write that formula, the formula will say x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we have to just substitute the values of a, b and c in this formula. Since the formula contains minus, this is the minus, and the value of b is negative 8, will be minus of minus 8 plus minus square root of minus 8 whole square minus 4 into the value of a was 16, the value of c is 1. Into the value of a is 16. Since the negative into negative would become positive, it will be 8 plus minus negative 8 whole square will be 64 minus 4 into 16 is 64 again, divided by 32. It will be equal to 8 plus minus 0 divided by 32. This is equal to 8 by 32 plus minus 0. So the values of x are x by 32 and 8 by 32 again. 8 by 32 and 8 by 32. This is the solution by quadratic formula. Now the next question, which we have to solve by this method again. The question is 10ax square minus 6x plus 15ax and minus 9 is equal to 0, where the value of a is not equal to 0. This is the condition given in the question. Now in this question, the coefficient of x square is 10a and the coefficient of x is minus 6 and 15a. If we arrange that question into our format, this will become 10a x square 15a minus 6 into x minus 9 is equal to 0. Now by the quadratic formula, this is the value of a, the coefficient of x square, this is the value of b, and this is the value of c. In this question, I am using capital A, capital B, capital C instead of small a, small b, small c, because in the question small a and small a is given. If we just substitute the coefficient or the value of coefficient, the formula is minus of b, and the value of b in this question (15a minus 6) plus minus b square. B square means 15a minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a, 10a into the last term minus c, which was minus 9. Upon 2 into a, the first term is 10a, is equal to minus 15a plus 6 plus minus. If we solve this equation, we'll get (15a plus 6 to the power 2) upon 20a. This is your homework. That means you have to reduce this term into this term. This would be equal to minus 15a plus 6 plus minus this. Since this is a perfect square and the square root of perfect square is the number itself, upon 20a. Now to find both the solution, we have to just take both the signs. First of all, we have to take the plus sign, and by taking the plus sign, we'll get the value of x is equal to minus 15a plus 6 plus 15a plus 6 upon 20a. These terms are cancelled out because this term contains the plus sign and this term contains the minus sign, and the value of x would be equal to 12 by 20a, and if we cancel it out, the remaining terms are 3 by 5a. And similarly, by taking the negative sign, we will get the second value of x, which will be x is equal to minus 15a plus 6 minus 15a by taking the minus sign. Minus 6 divided by the 20a. This time this 6 is cancelled out and the terms are 30a by 20a. Again a is cancelled out, and if we cross it out by 10, the remaining terms are minus 3 by 2. This is the method to solve quadratic equation by quadratic formula. We will get all the solutions by using any of the three methods. Thank you.